Here we are today at Parker Automotive, and today we're working on a 2005 Isuzu Ascender. This is a rear wheel drive vehicle with a 4.2 motor.
Okay, so after pulling the codes, it had a check engine light. One of the codes was for a PO 420, which is a catalytic converter code. It could be a failing cat or O2s. Another code was a PO 410 code, which is secondary air. On this model, on the GMs, because this basically is a GM, the air pump would be up front, but on here it's on the frame rail. As you can see, it's got two hoses that come down. There's also a check valve up top and another solenoid which actually activates it. Upon checking it, and this is a common problem on these, like you can see, there's actually water coming out of there. This right here is a pump. What it does is when your vehicle's cold, this pumps enough air into the system until the vehicle gets up to operating temperature. Now I'm going to pull off the opposite side, and which is kind of frozen. It looks like must have a lot of. It's been gathering water for a long time. Hold on a second. Let's pull this out. I can feel the lines full of water. So, like you can see.
And you're saying it's not supposed to be full of water?
No.
They're not cooling lines?
No, this isn't a cooling line. This is an air pump. And this air pump, what it does is help with the emissions control in the vehicle. This actually sends more air into the intake manifold.
So these are vacuum lines?
Basically, yes. It's actually just pumping air into the intake until it gets to its operating temperature. Now, it's frozen, so it's going to have to be replaced.
So the pump's frozen.
Yeah, and
there was
because it's full of water.
There was water in the lines. Yeah. So condensation?
Yeah, condensation. There may be a leak somewheres in one of these hoses, but definitely it's condensation. It's a flaw in the way that they made these motors. There's no leak valve or anything like that to help, alleviate that condensation building up. Yeah.
Well, so because our mechanic here at Parker Automotive thinks outside the box, he went a step further and checked the lines to the secondary air pump, because I don't think this is a common problem that you see too often.
Well, no, it is a common problem, but
it's a common problem for the air pump to stop working.
Right.
But the condensation in the lines is a whole nother issue.
Right, and this could be the whole problem with the catalytic converter codes.
Right.
Because this is emissions related.
And they work together.
Yes. Okay.